Have you been seeing the Osmo Pro Vacuum all over the internet with claims that it can completely change the way you clean your home? From powerful suction to compact design, the advertisements make it look like the perfect cleaning solution for busy households. But with so many viral gadgets appearing online every month, people are starting to ask an important question. Is the Osmo Pro Vacuum actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped product getting attention through clever marketing? In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Osmo Pro Vacuum to see what it really offers and whether it lives up to the buzz. One reason this vacuum is getting so much attention is convenience. Many modern buyers want lightweight and portable cleaning tools instead of large traditional vacuums that are difficult to move around. The Osmo Pro Vacuum is often promoted as compact, easy to use, and suitable for quick cleaning sessions around furniture, cars, and smaller spaces. That kind of flexibility naturally appeals to people looking for simple, everyday cleaning solutions. Now, when it comes to whether the product is legit, customer expectations play a huge role. Some online users say they like the portability and convenience of the vacuum, especially for light cleaning tasks. Others mention that the suction power may not fully match the dramatic demonstrations shown in advertisements. And honestly, that's common with many trending online gadgets because marketing videos are usually designed to highlight the best possible results. Another important thing buyers should check is product transparency. Reliable brands typically provide clear details about battery life, filter systems, charging times, warranty information, and return policies. If a website focuses only on flashy claims without offering practical information, that's usually a sign to slow down and do more research before ordering. By the way, let me know in the comments what matters most to you when buying a vacuum cleaner. Is it strong suction, battery life, portability, or overall value for money? It's always interesting to see what different people prioritize in household gadgets. One thing working in the Osmo Pro Vacuum's favor is the growing demand for compact home appliances that save time and space. But at the same time, shoppers should avoid expecting professional-grade performance from every viral cleaning gadget they see online. Keeping realistic expectations is always important when evaluating products like this. So, is the Osmo Pro Vacuum worth it or a scam? Based on customer discussions online, it appears to be a real product that some buyers find useful for quick and convenient cleaning. But experiences seem mixed depending on expectations and cleaning needs. The smartest approach is to compare reviews carefully, understand the features being offered, and make sure the product matches what you actually need before purchasing. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of trending gadgets and online products. And if there's another product you want reviewed next, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.